Happy birthday, Andrea. May surpresa ako sa'yo.
Ito na ba yun?
Dumating na ang unang liham mo mula sa amin ng ama mo. Ay, sa wakas.
Ayaw, Honor? Seryoso? Mas okay nga yan eh. Mas gaganahan ako mag-aral.
Shucks, pasabog si tita. Ano yung nakalagay sa letter mo nun, Kia?
Tulog at kumain ng maayos.
Ay, be, yung sa akin. Hulaan mo. Ano? Huwag ko yan. Alam mo si Kia, si Mary.
Si Mary, oh.
Ganyan din yung letter niya.
Oh, saan ka na naman pupunta?
Mabilis lang ako, ma.
Bilisan mo, ha?
Dear Andrea Mercado, congratulations on successfully graduating from senior high school with high honors. With pride and joy, we present your next task. Apply to a prestigious college and secure a scholarship. Best of luck! Dear Andrea Mercado, congratulations on your acceptance to the University of the Philippines. We are thrilled for you and excited to see you embark on this new chapter of your academic journey. We hope you continue to make your family proud. With great pride and anticipation, we present your next task. Finish college with Latin honors. May this goal inspire you and serve as a reminder of your parents' sacrifices and efforts. Best of luck!
Describe ugliness. Yes, you? Ako po? Yes.
Dear Andrea Mercado, congratulations on graduating from college with Latin honors. With pride and joy, we present your next task. Get a job within 3 months with a minimum salary of 30,000 pesos per month to begin contributing to household expenses. Department of Youth Development and Milestones.
Pambihira. Ilang araw na ako tumatawag.
Do you have any update regarding my credit card?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening po.
Kasi talaga makita yung button eh. Meron po ba kayong ano?
Redirect nyo ko nang rinire-direct ako. I have a trip coming up. I need my fucking credit
Hindi po
card.
kasi talaga pwedeng
Tupid ka talaga babae ka. Hindi ko alam kung
Complete
ano na. Kailangan ng email nyo. Kailangan kumana na yung wifi ko.
Do you know what you've done? That's one of our biggest clients. Pasan pa yung pag-graduate mo ng UP kung wala ka sa mag-decorum?
Sir, I can
Andrea naman, oh. Ngayon lang ako nakita ng cum laude na walang decency.
Nagsabay-sabay lang po kasi talaga, sir. I hope yan.
Wala ka ng excuse. Isa na lang talaga, Andrea. Isa na lang.
Oh, nakabalik ka na pala. O, Andrea, di kuryente ha. Huwag mo kalimutan, mapuputunan tayo.
Opo, ma.
Dear Andrea Mercado, you are now at risk of having your water cut off within the next... Dear Andrea Mercado, give your family a vacation. This request requires your internet bill is now past due. Please make payment to avoid any service. Dear Andrea Mercado, we present you with yet another task. Increase your mother's allowance by 2,000 pesos. This is an urgent reminder that your account is past. We highly acknowledge your coordination with setting up your family's insurance. Provide all the expenses that your family vacation would be a break you deserve for all. May this letter serve as a reminder that a child should always pay back the money parents have spent on raising them. Dear Andrea Mercado, it is a major sign of disrespect. Do your tasks on time. Dear Andrea Mercado. 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 Congratulations on the hard work you have been paying off every day. To celebrate this milestone, we present to you your next task. Get married within the next 12 months to a suitable and responsible husband. May this new quest remind you that time is running out. Your parents have been waiting for you to get married. This should encourage you to fulfill their dreams as soon as possible, like how they fulfilled yours. Sincerely, Department of Youth Development and Milestone.
Ito ang love.
Oh,
Ano yung mga sulat?
okay lang yun. Bubukod na tayo, oh. Hindi ko na sila responsibilidad.
Sarap naman yan, love.
Ano mo yan?
Tara na.
Ano yan, kasi? Ako nagtitay mo muna.
Sige.
Ma'am Mercado, may sulat po kayo.
Babae ka! Kung di ko patitignan, hindi ko makikita yung kababayaan mo. Sa tingin mo, kaya mong iwan lahat ng responsibilidad mo? Walang kwenta kang anak! Ang laki ng hirap ko sa'yo! Ganito na lang susukli mo sa akin!
Putang ina, ma! Alam mo naman kaya ako sa mga punyetang sobre na yan na hindi matigil-tigil! Sinunod ko naman lahat eh! Ginawa ko! Makapagtapos, makapagtrabaho, magkaasawa, puta! Ano pa bang gusto mo? Mag-ipon ako para sa nanay ko! Takang-taka ako noon kung bakit yung mga sulat ng mga kaibigan at kaklase ko ang nakalagay lang na kumain ng maayos, matulog ng maaga, mag-iingat kung saan man pupunta, pero bakit yung sa akin tubigan? Ma, sakay na ako. Tapos, ako pa kaya sasabihan mo na wala akong kwentang anak? Paano bang sukli gusto mo? Ano bang sukli? Ganito ba? Ganitong sukli ba? Kulang pa ba? Sobra na ba? Ganito ba? Ganito ba ang sukli? Kulang pa ba?
Alam ko na yan, estilo mo. Kaya mo ginagawa yan. Kasi gusto mong makatakas sa mga responsibilidad mo. Wala kang utang na loob!